Well, tonight, Port Arthur residents want to know how their property is going to be impacted by new flood protection measures. Most of the city is already surrounded by the seawall.
But now work is started on something called the Port Arthur Project. It's an $863 million plan, and it's already under construction.
12 News reporter Simona Barca is live tonight to explain what it includes and what people think about it. Simona.
Brenda, project leaders met tonight with residents at the Bob Bauer Civic Center. They met to answer any questions and concerns that they might have.
When you live in Southeast Texas, you learn how to be flexible. I keep telling people we are battle worn.
Ellen Clark and her husband Clayton are lifelong Port Arthur residents. Their home is next to the seawall.
We came to this meeting mostly for fact finding. We wanted to know how the construction of the wall is going to impact our property, as to whether or not we're going to be able to see over the seawall, or whether or not we're going to be able to see the water, or if all we're going to see is a wall.
They came looking for answers from people like Rob Thomas, the chief engineer with the Army Corps of Engineers stationed in Galveston.
We want to talk to people that live here and get their feedback on how to make the project better. Like if there's where it's impacting someone, if we can modify the project in some way, we try to do that. We try to basically make the project work within the community as best as possible.
The Port Arthur project has been underway since 2017. The plan is to raise existing levees around Port Arthur and build new ones. Some would be as tall as 19 feet.
It's going to change the way that the structure looks, so you might see basically kind of a vertical wall, and now you'll have a bigger concrete vertical wall, whereas it might have been steel wall before. But it just means that you're going to be safer. You're going to be better protected than you were before.
Even now, some things are still up in the air.
They've been very nice to tell me they don't know what the impact is going to be to our property, but they will find out and they will contact us.
But the Clarks say they understand the importance of the project.
It's not that we're frustrated from the standpoint that it's going to be done or that we're going to have to live with the construction, because that's just one of the sacrifices you have to make as a citizen. It's just that you want to have knowledge in advance.
For more info about the project or to see how your home might be affected, you can head over to their interactive website, and we'll have that link on our website, 12newsnow.com. I'm live in Port Arthur. Simona Barca, 12 News.
Simona,